Yung first aspect of emotional intelligence ay self-awareness. Napakahalaga ng self-awareness. No? Ano ba yung components ng self-awareness? Una is yung ability mo to recognize your emotion at any given moment. Alam mo kung saan nanggagaling yung emotion na yon, no? Ano mo kung ano yung mga triggers ng yung emotion, no? Proactive and reactive triggers, naintindihan mo. Because you cannot even begin to manage your emotion if you don't know how to call it, okay? And when it's happening, di ba? So, importante yung self-awareness. Importante din yung awareness ng values mo, no? Yung ano yung mga importante sa'yo. Because of a lot of the things that makes you happy or angry or sad or frustrated comes from the alignment of a lot of things to your values. So, alam mo ba kung ano yung mahalaga sa'yo? Importante yan. You cannot effectively champion the values of your organization if you don't see clear alignment between your values and the values of the company. Importante yung awareness of your values. At isa pa is recognition of your goals. No, malinaw ba sa iyo kung ano yung purpose at yung goals mo? Meron ka bang vision? Kasi kung titignan mo yung emotional intelligence in the context of leadership, directional ang leadership eh. Dapat malinaw kung saan ka papunta. Pwedeng, ewan ko, di ko alam kung saan ako papunta. I take things, a day at a time. Ibig sabihin na you are dependent on your whims. Wala kang klarong direksyon, hindi ka intentional. So, that's another thing, di ba? Ano pa ba ang kasama ng self-awareness? So, vision, your values, your emotion, your triggers. Di ba? What makes you happy? Action tendency ang tawag doon. What makes you happy? What makes you sad? What makes you angry? What makes you upset? So it helps to be clear about that. And that's self-awareness, among other things. No?